Sir. Sir.
Something right out there. Is that what I mean?
Yeah, sir. I'm just saying, like, you see that car?
Right here.
How it's coming up fast? Like, when you driving, you gotta be watching out for these motherfuckers. These motherfuckers are crazy.
Too close.
Crazy. People with the messed up cars, they be doing that. She put in this? Huh? What she put in this?
Caramel.
She put something else in this. Hold on.
Bro, you draining them. Keep it quiet. I want to hear all that noise.
Bro, I'm about to start going up there to get the Starbucks. Whoever that lady, that one look real crazy. She went crazy. Oh my God.
Bro, hush, please. Jamal, hush. I don't want to hear that. Oh, that rah rah, bro.
She went crazy.
She did, but you dragging it at this point now. Oh no, you tripping.
Yeah,
It's good.
Don't
touch my stuff. I'm not sure. Mark, you stop, please. Please stop.
Oh!
Be quiet.
Oh,
Let me out.
shit. Damn, if she could make this, like,
Let
man.
me out the car. You doing too much. Shut up! Give me this. Right out the window. Do one more time. Go back the window.
Bro, this shit is so good.
How about that noise though? You got to do all that. Just hush. Just hush.
Oh my gosh. This shit. Oh, I should have. I gotta, man. Woo! She didn't give you the same cup she gave me. She spinning your shit.
I'm taking this mic down. I'll smack you.
She spinning your shit. I seen her. She was like,
Okay. Can you stop?
I was
please?
like,
Be quiet.
she was like, shh.
Okay, hush. I don't know what you doing at church for.
I'm like,
Can you let her?
she ain't about to spit in my cup.
Alright.
Why you think? You see how she gave it to us? You remember when I took that one and then I switched ours? Remember? And I said, yes, I did. I said, yes, I did. You lying.
When somebody spitting my stuff is crazy.
Remember when I switched our cups? I said, no, you gonna take this one, I'm gonna take this one. And then I was like, hold on, never mind, I'm gonna take that one.
Shut up.
Bro, no, I didn't let her spit in your stuff.
Yeah,
But she went crazy. Oh, shit. Bro, she went crazy. Yes. this shit is good.
You there? Give me this. I thought the window. Yeah.
Trying to show me your phone so you can take my mind off of this Starbucks
Yeah.
cup.
You don't do that.
Bro, this is crazy. Like the amount of caramel and like just everything that she put in here is like, why did you do that? You see what I'm saying? Like, why'd you go so crazy like that? Like, is you in a, like, were you in a good mood today?
Right.
Like who made your day? Like, what did someone say for you to just want to make these Starbucks like cups like that? What's this called?
Caramel frappuccino.
Caramel frappuccino. Why did you make this regular caramel frappuccino like that? Like, this is the oldest drink in the book when it comes to Starbucks. Why did you make this like this was something brand new that just came out today? I gotta go back and get her number. She gonna be my personal Starbucks cup lady.
Yes, she should be.
I mean, she ain't a lady. She like 20, 22. You ain't gotta make no coffee for me no more. She gonna do it. I'm gonna go to her like at 6 in the morning. She gonna be open. Believe that. And I ain't say I was going to Target at 6 in the morning. I said I'm going to her.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
The fuck?
You done?
I guess so.
Thank you.
That was good, bro. What you doing? Did you just drop that in my car?
No.
Yeah, you did. You always dropping something in my car.
Didn't even fall.
But did you drop it? No, I'm talking about yours.
Oh no, it didn't drop.
Bro, there's still something in here.
Bro, that's just caramel. Stop. I don't want to hear that noise.
Gas. Man. I'm telling you now, bro. Woo! Bella Bell. Man, why can't you make stuff like that? I know. But the way she just made it though, like, it was like, why are you doing this to me? Like, what did I do to you to deserve such good treatment like that? I didn't do nothing to you. I don't even know you. Like, this is crazy, bro.
Please don't make that noise, please. Being real obnoxious.
You see how I can do that?
Stop.
That's how you know it's good. That's how you know it's good. Like,
Okay.
that caramelicious, whatever that stuff, caramel frappuccino,
Right,
whatever.
right.
That was
Chef kisses.
chef's. That wasn't no chef kiss. That was, man.
Right.
That was. What's past the chef? That was like not the chef kiss. That was like the building that the chefs cook in kiss.
Okay.
Man, that was good.
The owner kiss. The owner.
Beyond the owner, whoever could shut the owner down. That was government kiss.
Okay.
That was government kiss.
I understand.
She went nuts. Like,